Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the highlights and facts and main characteristics about a particular wine on the Vivino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search icon down below. That's the second option. And after that, use the search bar at the top to search for a particular wine. Tap on the relevant result, and as you scroll down, you can find this summary section. So here you can meet the winery itself, read more about it if you tap on the read more button. You can find pictures and introduction to the winery. As you scroll down, you can see the highlights, and if you tap on the facts button, you can see which region the wine is from, the regional style of it, and the grapes it is made of, and its alcohol percentage. Then you can find taste characteristics, the reviews, wine ranking, and other things as well as you scroll down. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.